Okay, Assalamualaikum and good afternoon to all my students. So this is our lab session for MEM341. Basically all the lab sheet, laboratory manual sheet, you can download from laboratory session in our Google Classroom. Okay, just click on the button here, please download here, and then you can download all 6 lab manual or lab sheets. Okay, so I try to brief a little bit about lab 1 and lab 2. Let's say for the lab 1, I click and open the PDF file. Okay, boleh dengar suara saya ke? Kalau tak boleh dengar, sila cakap dekat chat tu. Saya offkan dulu desktop audio. Okay, boleh dengar ke? Okay, kalau boleh dengar, sambung. Okay, lab 1, yang ni, this is introduction to hydraulic component. Yang ni dalam kurungan in the bracket individual. So you have to do this lab by your own self, not in the group, but by individual session, individual work. Okay, so you have to use this cover sheet here, and then this is what you have to do. So the objective of the lab 1 is to specify basic components in hydraulic system, to describe function of each component, to identify the standard graphical symbol used for each component. So there are 3 objectives here. Make sure you can achieve this objective, and then write a full technical report or full laboratory report based on apparatus here. Okay. Okay, so first you have to see the requirement of the apparatus that is needed in this lab. First one, if we have face-to-face lab session, we can use basic hydraulic components trainer set. But of course, in this semester, we don't have face-to-face session. We don't have physical laboratory session. So you cannot use this component trainer set. But what you can do is you can use the Automation Studio software as a replacement thing, as a tool to replace the component trainer set. So how do you get the Automation Studio software? Right, semua tak ada kan? Okay, that's why I put in the Google Classroom here how to install automation software. Okay, I put this is the file from our resource person, Encik Huzaifah of this subject. Okay, he gave me this tutorial. Just click on that Word file I put in the Google Classroom and they will appear here the tutorial. Okay, follow step by step this tutorial, and finally you have the software in your PC or laptop. I don't think this will work with MacBook or Macintosh computer. So please install this software using the Windows PC or laptop. Okay, so after you install this software in your PC, then you have to do the lab 1 and the lab 2. Okay, lab 2 is the same thing as the lab 1, but the lab 2 is to focus on pneumatic components, and lab 1 will be on the hydraulic components. So these two lab 1 and lab 2 are the individual work. Okay, you have to do it individually. Okay. Okay, so after lab 2, we have lab 3, lab 4, lab 5, and lab 6. Okay, lab 3, basic hydraulic circuit. This is in the group. Lab 4, in the group. Lab 5, in the group. Lab 6 is also in the group. So lab 3, 4, 5, and 6, you have to make a group consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maximum 5 students per group. Okay, and then make sure your group is the same as for other lab. So I don't want you to change your member group. So I want you to make sure all the names are the same in your group. Okay. Okay, for this let's say for the lab 4 or lab 3, for the group group report, I will put the results to you, and you, all the members group, have to do in the team and submit to me a full technical or full experimental report. That's it. Okay, before that, I will create a video for the experiment, how we do the experiment. I will put it in the video. I will record it in the video, and then you see first the video. After that, then you do the lab report. Okay, if you have any question, just let me know. Give me the question in the live chat in the YouTube. Okay, so for now, I wait for your question. We have a break for 5 minutes. Okay. Since there is no question from you, I will try to show you how to install this software. Open the Word file that I have uploaded in the Google Classroom. Control click here, and it will redirect you to the Google Drive. Okay, from here you just right click on this and then download. So it will download all the full folder. Okay, wait here. Okay, so it's only 11.6 megabyte. Not so big. Okay, wait. Okay. And then all. And then we have a full folder. Okay. We have a manual here how to use it. But you also can refer to the Word file here, how to install the software. Okay, say download Feldo here, full version, and English pack here. Install Feldo first. Okay, right click and run as administrator. Okay, run. Okay, yes. Next. Okay, it said jika software install adalah di dalam bahasa selain bahasa Inggeris, close the software, barulah kita install yang ni, yang English pack. So kita tengok dulu, kita launch dulu, finish. Okay, dia dalam bahasa lain ni kan, bahasa apa saya tak pasti. So kita kena tutup, and then we install the English pack here. Right click. Okay, so now we have full English language in our menu. Okay, and then so that's it for the tutorial. So you can start using that software. Here, right? PS2 Freedism. Okay, so you can try explore it by your own self. You can just drag the components here and you will know how to use or to know what is the basic component of the hydraulic and pneumatics. Okay, so I suggest you to try it first, and then if you have any problem you can ask me or we can discuss in the Google Classroom, or we can discuss in our WhatsApp group. Okay, there are also a lot of tutorials available in the YouTube. You also can search it and try to see the tutorial by your own self. Okay, I think that's all for the software tutorial. So you can start to your lab 1, and I'll give you around 2 weeks before you have to submit the lab report for the lab 1. Okay, so for the 2 weeks there are a lot of time. You can try to study the software first, try to search the tutorial in the YouTube first before you do the lab 1. So there are 2 weeks. I think it is a lot of time to complete your lab 1. Okay, so that's all what I want to brief about the laboratory session. If you have any other question or if you have any problem, you can let me know in the Google Class.